So one thing to remember when putting on and taking off PPE and using these correctly is to make sure that you're wearing the appropriate clothing underneath your PPE. So things like hoodies that come down and are baggy, you don't want to be wearing, especially when you are doing something such as putting on sleeves and gloves. Anytime that you put on your gloves, then your sleeves and your second pair of gloves, if you've got clothing underneath, there is the risk of contaminating such clothing. As you can see here, if we were to just pop on a pair of gloves without taking our hoodie off, you already run the risk of contaminating your hoodie when taking your gloves off around the cuff. This increases if you were to then put on your sleeve over the top. It bunches everything up. As you can see underneath the sleeve already, the hoodie has rucked up. And then with a second glove on as well, going over the top of the sleeve, as you would do in a normal PPE situation. It is going to be increasingly difficult to get your contaminated sleeve off without contaminating your hoodie. You could grab the outside and pull down, but you are risking pinching and pulling your hoodie as well and creating a splash from the sleeve. As you can see here, by pulling these down, I have already pulled the hoodie sleeve over the glove that I now need to get underneath to pull off safely. With your other gloved hand, obviously, you are contaminated. How are you going to be like itching this down to then get underneath? It's not very effective. So the best way is to make sure that you are removing your clothing to make your PPE a lot easier to use.